trying, attacking every way he can. We gotta fight, we gotta fight, we gotta fight.
Hey babies! So I'm back with another video. Of course, today's topic will be on relationship advice. Um, Often in a relationship, it doesn't often work. We know that we're human. We don't often get along, but it is our decision, our priority to either make it work or move on and move on without getting depressed or being depressed or hating the other person or um not everybody get hurt. Like, I can't speak on everybody that gets hurt. A lot of people get hurt for many different reasons, but the main focus is the relationship advice. If your man is not showing you any type of respect, sis, it's time to leave. Do not let any man disrespect you, because then if you think it's okay for a man to disrespect you, then what if, all right, let's put it like this. Suppose you had a daughter and like her boyfriend was disrespecting her. Would you think that's okay for your daughter to be disrespected? Even it doesn't even matter if they're in public or not. You shouldn't be disrespected at all. You should have respect for each other. You should be able to know how to talk to each other without jumping off, throwing hands, or any of that. Each relationship has their most unique and individual thing that they could handle together. Together and apart. I sound like I love Dr. Minoa. But like, um not like if why I just lost my train of thought. Um Not because your boyfriend or your husband doesn't bring you home flowers every day and this and that. It doesn't mean that he doesn't love you. You just sometimes men are overwhelmed. We overwhelm them. I'm speaking for myself. I know I overwhelm them sometimes, but I also do know how to how I'm supposed to be treated and how I'm supposed to be valued by a man, because I'm not going to take anything less from him or to lower my standards for him. Um, and it did take me a while for me to understand this, because it's like, okay, like, all right, why is this happening to me? I'm being me. I'm doing the best thing I could do as a girlfriend. And I'm like, okay. So I look into it. I read, I researched, I did everything. Some men just are not ready to settle down. Do not force them. Do not force them to do something that they're not comfortable with doing. That is where the relationship will start to break apart and it will fall into pieces just like that. Like, but um if you feel like your relationship is hidden, um um so like this topic did come from one of my former friends, because I was like kind of stuck on what kind of topic I should talk about today. Um, but like, in every relationship, you guys are gonna have arguments, fights. But if it's not that serious or not that bad, where you guys have to split and make a chaos and hate each other, try to work through it. A working relationship stays together. A talking relationship stays together. Try to talk out your differences before you jump and disrespect the other person, or you jump and throw that person under the bus. Because in the long run, you don't know what they're going through. It's not like okay, you know what's going through their head. Because sometimes their mindset is totally different. Like, um they don't know how to express their feelings to most of their girlfriends or wives or whatever. But things happen. You feel me? I understand, and like, I don't blame. I don't blame most people. if they like, okay, like they can't do this anymore. They've been with this person for a year or so, and like the same thing keeps happening over and over, and then they finally give up. You both of you guys have to work together. You guys have to be like this, not like this, not like this. You guys have to be like this in order to make that relationship work. Because that relationship without communication and talking and working together and getting up like getting what's the word I'm looking for? Getting the revival of each other's presence, it's not gonna work. You have to know how to handle the situation. You have to know how to talk to each other. No yelling, no raising your voice, none of that. You guys have to work as one. Because if you were to get married, you guys are gonna be one. You guys are under the same roof, paying the rent, one. Paying the light bill, one. Paying this, one. Having the child, one. You guys come together as one. So therefore, it shouldn't be anything that you guys should be like, okay, this is too hard. I don't want to do this anymore. I just want to be single. Because you don't know what is going on. Also, like, you should be able to take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy in this relationship. Take it slowly. Don't rush. Take it calmly and slowly. Love yourself, but you have to love your partner also. Like, do not push out the energy by yourself. Your partner has to push out the same energy. Do you understand me? Energy. Energy. No, one person I push out the energy and the other one I look. No. If you see that, okay, you and this person is taking a break and like you feel like the person is drifting away from you, just take a breath. Take a breath. It's gonna be hard, but you have to move and live your life because them man ya, or them female ya, them nah go wait for we or the other person forget right or act correctly unless the person is really in love with you. And even if you're in love with the person's not gonna do it. The person's gonna move on to better standards. So that is it for today. Relationship advice, rant, or whatever I just do. But you're good with it. I'm out. Bye. If you feel like your partner constantly want to pick fights with you and like want to do this and that and want to do their own thing, sis, sir, whoever you are, it's time for you to let that person go so they can find themselves and do you. Do not let anyone bring you down or try to have you go into a depressed mindset because it's not good. One more thing. Never make a man put it up on you. That's a no-no. Why me like me get fat? Yes, thanks, me know. But yeah, on a serious note, don't make no man put their hand on you. Oh, remember me tell you, cause listen, if I'm a woman beater, it's not gonna work, sis. And no female should put their hands on a man unless they play fighting. Feels me? But other than that, no untouching, no.
Alone couldn't do it, but everybody now go real. Me make it to a lot of enemies. Me get me know say no